The Kasa Smart Light Switch, HS200, is a single-pole light switch designed to replace your existing traditional light switch. It requires a neutral wire connection in order to function properly. The switch is compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks and can be controlled remotely using the Kasa Smart app on your smartphone or tablet. Key features of the Kasa Smart Light Switch HS200 include 1. Compatibility. The switch works seamlessly with popular voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Home, allowing you to control your lights using voice commands. 2. Easy installation. The switch can be installed easily in place of your current light switch. However, it's important to note that you need a neutral wire for proper installation. 3. Remote control. With the Kasa Smart app, you can control your lights from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. This gives you the flexibility to turn your lights on or off, even when you're away from home. 4. Scheduling and automation. The app allows you to set schedules for your lights, so they turn on and off at specific times. You can also create automation rules to make your lights work in sync with other smart devices in your home. 5. UL certified. The Kasa Smart Light Switch, HS200, is UL certified, ensuring safety and quality standards are met. 6. No hub required. Unlike some other smart home devices, this light switch does not require a separate hub for operation. It connects directly to your Wi-Fi network for easy setup and control. Overall, the Kasa Smart Light Switch HS200 offers a convenient way to upgrade your home lighting system to a smart one, providing voice control, remote access, and scheduling capabilities. Just make sure to check if you have a neutral wire before purchasing.